SoFi versus Robinhood, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which financial institution is better among SoFi and Robinhood. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with SoFi. SoFi offers banking, investing, loans, and insurance, providing an all in one financial solution. No account fees for checking and savings accounts, helping you save money. Competitive interest rates on savings accounts and cash management accounts. Provides competitive rates that can help borrowers reduce their interest payments and pay off loans faster. Includes career coaching, financial planning, and exclusive events. SoFi operates primarily as an online bank with no physical branches, which may be a drawback for users who prefer in person banking services. Less advanced than some specialized brokers. It has strict eligibility criteria for loans and refinancing, which may limit access for some potential borrowers. Now, let's come towards Robinhood. Robinhood allows commission free trading of stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Offers an easy to use mobile app that appeals to novice investors. Provides instant access to deposits, making it easier to start investing quickly. Allows purchasing of fractional shares, enabling investment with smaller amounts of money. Offers various educational resources to help users learn about investing. Customer service is often criticized for being slow and inadequate. Only offers individual taxable accounts with no options for retirement accounts or joint accounts. Has a controversial practice of payment for order flow, which may not always result in the best trade execution for users. Choosing between SoFi and Robinhood depends on your specific financial needs and preferences. SoFi is ideal if you need a comprehensive range of financial services, including banking, loans, and investments, whereas Robinhood excels in commission free trading and a user friendly app for novice investors. Consider your usage habits and the importance of additional financial services to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for this video.